Algebraic expression. Now today I will explain you the concept of algebraic expression. First to see what is mean by algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, it is made up of, is built of variable constant or integers and variable and operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication are these operators are contained. Means algebraic expression is made up of variable, constant, integer and operations. Okay, all this form algebraic expression. Okay, suppose 3x is there. In this 3x, 3 is called as a coefficient and x is called as a variable. There are some example like 3n plus 1, 3t, 2x plus 3y and 2 are the algebraic expressions. And in these expressions, n, t, x, y are the variables. Okay, now see, next is what? Next is what? An expression in which multiplication is only operation is called a term. An expression in which multiplication is only operation is called as a term. Suppose 3n is there, in that 3n only multiplication is there, that is called as a term. Suppose here 11mn, here multiplication only there, multiplication is there, means this is a term. Minus 9x square y cube, this is also one type of a term, and a is also one type of a term. Okay, now see coefficient. I will explain you the what is the coefficient in the, which is the coefficient in this term and which is the variable. 11 is the coefficient. 11 is the coefficient. In this term, 11 is the coefficient and mn is the variable. Now in this term, minus 9 is the coefficient and x square y cube, it is a variable. If there is nothing, any number is mentioned, there is no number is mentioned, then there is always 1. 1 is the coefficient and a is the variable. You can change the value of variable. Variable means not a fix, it can be changed. Okay, next topic is types of algebraic expression. Expression with one term are called as a monomial. Expression with two terms, if the algebraic expression contain two terms, then it is called as a binomial. If in an algebraic expression contain three terms, it is a trinomial, and if they have more than three terms, they are called as a polynomial. These are the types of algebraic expression. Now one by one I will explain you. Monomial means, see example is there, 4x means only one term is there, therefore it is a monomial. Minus 7 only one term, therefore it is a monomial. Binomial means 3x 2, there are two terms are there. If there are two terms included, then it is called as a binomial. 3mn minus 5m square n, this is also binomial. Trinomial means what? There are three terms contained and it is called as a trinomial. Here also 8a cube minus 5a square p plus c, means there are three terms. 8a cube one term, 5a square b second term, and c is the third term. It is called as a trinomial. Polynomial means what? There are more than three terms. See here, a cube one term, 3a square b second term, 3ab third term, and b cube is a fourth term. Means if there are more than three terms are there, then it is called as a polynomial. Understood? This is a very easy. Now see, next one is next to classify the following algebraic expression as monomial, binomials and trinomials or polynomials. Monomials means 7x. 7x it is a monomial. Binomial means two terms are included, therefore 5y minus 7z is a binomial. Trinomial means 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11. Three terms are there, therefore it is a trinomial. Now what is why it is a polynomial? Because there are four terms. If there are four terms, then it is called as a polynomials. Binomial, again 5m minus 3, there are two terms, therefore it is a binomial. Only one term is there, therefore it is a monomials. And third one, last one is 3y square minus 7y plus 5. Here contain three terms, therefore it is a trinomial. Okay, it is very simple concept. If you have any doubt, you comment me on your comment chat box. And if you like my video, subscribe my channel and press bell icon button. Thank you for watching my video.